is the Taste of Tracey Road. It's our annual open house that we do.
We've been doing this for about a decade, and it's a great opportunity for customers to come out and see what we have to offer here at Tracey Road.
I haven't been to this event before, so I've heard other companies talk about it, and I just want to see what it's all about.
So I'm Kirsten Painter. I work for Bell Trucks America for the master distributor here in the United States, and I manage all of our dealers from east of the Mississippi. Oh man, I just think these events are amazing. To be able to get your customers and even operators, anybody who spends their day around a machine like this, to be able to get in here, show them some appreciation, and get them to climb over the truck. I know we've had quite a few kids come over as well. Nice for them to see what their family works in. I just think it's a really positive event. It's good to build relationships with customers. This event's great. I think the nice thing is everything's taken care of. Everything's right here. Anything that you need, all the food, all the drink. I just want to thank Tracey Road for having us out. You know, really value our partnership with them, and yeah, I hope this event really turns out well for them.